Ever wondered why your body feels so stiff after a long day of work or workout? It's because you're not stretching enough. Lack of stretching can lead to muscle tightness, reduced flexibility, and even injuries. By stretching, these risks can be significantly mitigated, and that's why stretching is vital for your body. Now, you might think you need a gym or fancy equipment to stretch effectively, but that's not true. Stretching is a versatile activity, and it can be comfortably done in your own home, without any special gear. All you need is some space and your own body. Let's talk about stretching routines. They are a sequence of specific movements designed to increase flexibility and range of motion. You might have heard of dynamic stretches, which involve moving parts of your body gradually, increasing reach, speed of movement, or both. Then there are static stretches, where you hold a stretch for a fixed amount of time. Both types are important and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine at home. Now, why should you stretch at home? Well, first of all, it's convenient. You can stretch while watching your favorite show or right after waking up. No need to drive anywhere or pay for a gym membership. Plus, it's a real time saver. You can stretch whenever you have a few spare minutes. And let's not forget the health benefits: increased flexibility, improved posture, better circulation, and reduced muscle tension, to name a few. Remember, your body deserves the care and attention that stretching provides. So, never skip your stretching routine at home. Now that you know the importance of stretching at home, it's time to put it into practice. Just imagine, with only a few minutes each day, you can improve your flexibility, boost your performance, and even enhance your overall wellness. It's a small commitment with a huge payoff. So why not start today? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and advice. Until next time, stay fit and healthy.